Hi guys, Igly Gamer for Life here, and today we are going to show. I'm going to show how to hack Subway Surfers. So Lucky Patcher. First of all, Lucky Patcher, you can download the APK at Google. You just write Lucky Patcher and the APK. You can find it because I know you guys. So right now we are here and we got Subway Surfers. You first of all you click Subway Surfers, then you click Open Menu of Patches. The third, then you click Create Modified APK File, APK Rebuild for in-app and LVL emulation. Then you click Rebuild App and you wait. For the wait, you can click it when you got 2 minutes or less, but I prefer to just wait until it's finished. But when it's finished, there is a minute and my battery is so low, guys, so we are going to about a minute. About 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, and right now we are going to click this. And we're going to wait until it is there. So you're going to wait until it comes out. And for the waiting, I'm gonna pause the video there, and when it comes out, I will be back. So guys, here it is, but I forgot to tell you that if you wait, this table shows this square here shows up, and if you see that at patch pattern N1 at patch pattern N2 is success. If one or two of those are success, that means that your modification of any game that you have, it's modified, I mean, but it isn't guaranteed that it's gonna work because I don't know. And Subway Surf, do you want to uninstall this app? Do you want to update to this app? No, we don't, but and you know when that shows up, you just have to wait for it. So here we are installing Subway Surfers, and it's installing. And we have to wait a bit, and this is legit, guys. So you know, when I showed that video, that is pretty legit, because you know, you saw that I was buying things that you couldn't buy with the real app. And right now we are going to And here we are, guys. This is Subway Surf, and I'm sorry for the cutting of the video because my cat is making a lot of noise. So here we are, and Subway Surfers, I'm very low on charging battery, but that isn't the problem because we can do this. And right now we are going to open this, and we will be with a modified but I'm gonna skip through the tutorial because I don't want to waste your time, because I hate the tutorial, guys. And here is, so this is the real game. It isn't this is the real deal, I mean, because so wait, I'm going to skip the tutorial, or let's play this, or let's skip, because as you can see we are here, guys, and we're at the store. I skipped the tutorial. This is the real deal. So contacting Google Play, and it's a little bit, I don't know, my internet is a little bit slow, but there we are. So we want a vault of coins, we get a vault of coins. So this is the real deal. It's like just having the best day ever by playing this. So as you can see in the purchase hack, you want to try to get this item for free, send a reply, but don't do those three options. You just got the last one. It's okay because it auto repeats, because you don't have to get this square here get shown again. So with this said, without further ado, I'm gonna end this video here. Thank you guys for watching. Igly Gamer for Hill, Igly Gamer for Life here. Bye, peace, like and subscribe for more videos. Goodbye.